at 400, and I'll be just walking around to this bike, and I will tell you all the features and all the specifications of this bike. And I just want all of you to have a look. It's really a sports cruiser bike. Whoever is watching this video, I just want to tell everyone that this is a sports cruiser bike. It's best for cruising, it's best for touring, for long rides basically. And it has a 373cc, basically 400cc engine, one of the best in its segment. And Bajaj has just launched this bike 15 December. And it has a very great bhp and very great newton meter torque power. It has 35 bhp and 35 newton meter. This is one of the best for in this Bajaj segment, because Bajaj has never launched this type. And basically, if you can see, it is totally a sports bike. If you see from the back and if you see from the front, it's a sport bike, and this slanting seat is only for the cruiser type. So if you are going for a long ride, it is one of the best bikes, I would feel. So you can see all the odometer, trip meter, all are digital. And one of the main features is this. So if all the ABS is always on in this. You can see this ABS. Yeah. And most importantly, all the headlights and all the tail lamps are LED. So it has never been launched till now, and I would just all of you to watch this. So you can see the headlamp, it's totally LED. It's one of the best for night riding. Let me tell you the sound of this exhaust. It's very pretty bassy. So it's very thumpy and Bajaj also claims that it is good for all the purposes. You can go it for touring, you can go it for cruising purpose also. And look at this headlights, it feels so awesome. And I can think of like Ducati or something, like some bikes like that. Yeah. And the waiting period, if you want to book this bike, you can book it online. And the waiting period for this bike is almost 30 to 40 days. So the ex-showroom price of New Delhi is 1,36,000 for non-ABS version and 1,50,000 for ABS version. I'll be having a test ride in just few moments. I'll let you know how it feels while riding on the road, and I'll then tell you all these things in a very briefly manner. So just stay tuned. I'll be having a test ride. just drove 3 to 5 kilometers of Dominar 400, and it was really awesome. I really felt like I was just, भाग रहा था मैं तो. और it's a sports bike basically, sports and cruiser. So it's one of the best combos ever you can have in this segment. And basically I have Royal Enfield Thunderbird, so that's a cruiser bike, and this is a sports bike. So if anybody wants to buy a sports and a cruiser, so this is the best option for you. So you can see this. So we are just now besides the D&D flyway, and you can say the engine is so good. It's one of the best engines, and if you are having budget of 1.5 lakhs for ABS version, it's almost 1.73 in Noida region, and the ex-showroom price for Delhi is 1,50,000 for ABS version, and for non-ABS version the price is 1,36,000 in Delhi. So if you are planning to buy a bike who's having this type of comfort, who's having this type of features, 35 bhp, 35 Nm Newton meter torque, and 400cc engine, sports, cruiser, all these indicators and all. If you are going for this option, I would you should go for Bajaj Dominar 400. LED indicators. These are the LED indicators.